bóng ôn mới tới nơi tập liếng khẳng ai mơ bóng ôn một chia chôn chứ việc áo liếng chi mô tô bây giờ nó sắp âm đấy chứ âm nhân chi mô tô ban chẳng thế because việc chớn mà nó sơ chi mô tô thế nó sắp âm đấy yeah châu tao nát chứ ủa liếng khẳng á ngày này anh ấy cái tha từ chẹt từ chôm á bông ôn từ chẹt từ chôm bông ôn like nhau mà bò lan ở chun nhông tao ní tao nú ăn ngật đâu thôi mà bây giờ tính lên cứ thá phật phơn thì mỗi bộ nhông mà ọt ní ấy tê ở bên tao na mỗi bộ mà em đo sao vô bộ nhông tao ní tao nú nơi họ ta chỉ mỗi bộ nhông xa tàu cái bông spư nè tàu cái bông spư tàu bài chan cái bông ôn mới nè cái chuyện chân bài dương khăn này liêng kháng bông ôn hay mới tực nó lừa đôi thà tực nè flirt đây nè rồi cái tực flirt tực trà nữa nè một mắt tích bông ôn over here is flirting already yeah tực trà nó bông ôn này liêng tâm ập liêng màu bay nâng xa mang buồn nâng xa bông ôn mới tực yeah vẫn tốt thôi thà yeah flooding right now yeah anh ấy sâu ấy mà đấy nè nhưng mà thà chờ on there right now because the rain came coming down very heavy ở lâu mơ tật vía nó lơ này bảo bom ôm mơ
the real Cambodian experience.
Yeah, this is real bom ôn ở nơi tế gọi bom ôm mơ muốn nâng tích.
I remember it was flooding so much.
Yeah.
When we were snow at my grandparents' house. I went out and it was up to like my ankle.
Yeah. Yeah, liền. We come in different months so we get to see. Khai đau, khai chẹt, khai nơi mình miền khai chẹt còn khai liền này này bom ôn liền trở nè. Cái lại nếm sâu ấy mà nè mong mày. Sâu liền này cái lại phèn tít trên đường phong. Flood đôi ta nấu sọc Amerik đấy nó bom ôn sọc Amerik lạnh lắm. Chật tật màu flash flood tật lịch nha. Tật này tật lịch tì krong á. Nó cái lụa đô khả nó ấy cái nấu lụa đô Rosie lụa đô tay quan tháp bà nè nấu Phnom Penh nha cái này bà Rosie lụa đô bê plieng chẳng có phê cái phạch chẳng mới khả nó hoặc khả nó plieng khả nó
It's not that bad.
khả nó bật trở nè khả nè that street over there is covered in water. For that they kind of, hey, look at Pumoto. Pumoto, what's on God? That up there. Mưa này bóng ôn, tật lịch trơn. Flooding in. Please.
No, I sure my toe.
No, yep.
I would do it.
No.
I would do it. I'll be like, no, quit. She may have ugly feet.
With the car?
Like,
Yeah.
like put it at 100 miles per hour.
No, you crush. You can get the.
Look, no.
Oh, like go 25 miles per hour.
No. Ôi mưa này, nó khá nó tịch lịch chưa? No.
Really?
No, not me.
How about if they give you $1 million and you stay in the house that is haunted? Would
No,
you
I
do
don't
it?
wanna do that either.
I
And that is really definition of it's okay, I don't need money.
I don't think I would ever do the haunted house. No, Clyde, not a good go.
Just for a day.
No, sometimes when you are so frightened,
Yeah.
you lose your hair, you get so traumatized,
I don't
you
wanna
can
do
get
any of
really
that.
sick.
Sometimes you lose your hair.
No, yeah, when you really traumatized, like really you get sick. And some people
I
sick
wanna do
and to the point where បងប្អូនមើលខាងនេះ
No,
ទឹក
thank you.
ទឹកច្រើនណាបងប្អូនហើយណាមើលខាងនេះទឹកច្រើនណាស់ហើយនេះបងប្អូនមើលទឹកច្រើនណាស់លិចម៉ូតូហើយជិះម៉ូតូលិចម៉ូតូ
Oh, $10 million.
To do what?
Run over your toe.
No. No, I'm keeping my toes. I don't want to not have my toes. Maybe like.
ខ្ញុំនៅកន្លែងខ្ញុំពេលភ្លៀងច្រើនអញ្ចឹងគេហៅ flash flood warning គេប្រាប់ជាជនទៅខ្លាយខ្លះវាកុហកខ្លាំងពេកទៅវាក៏អាចអូសឡានណាអាទឹកនឹងវាខ្លាំងណាស់វាអូសឡានណា
But you take it.
នេះទឹកអត់នេះឯងបោទឹកខ្លះ
We hold on.
ហ្នឹងហើយ flash flood នោះអត់បានទេមុំជួនណាទាញ
I'm not doing it. I'm not wearing a suit.
Well, can I wear something like
បងខាងបងប្អូនខាងនោះ
that covers my
លិច
head
ខ្លាំង
and
ណាស់
toes?
No, it's just like not like too much. It's just like how it is in my house. Like a little
ព្រៀង
Oh,
ខ្លាំង
like your
ណាស់
house? Yeah, I'll definitely stay there for 2
like
3
you
million.
look left, you see it. You look right, you see it. You know?
That's
Like
okay.
not too much, but you can see it.
see what
I
I
can
ain't
do
that
that.
house on the regular.
Yeah,
I
that's
don't think
fine.
Believe will do that.
Ghost?
Just the book's house right now, Belle. Yeah.
ghost
I wouldn't be able. I
What,
wouldn't
say
be
what?
able to do that. Just bugs.
oh spider oh I'll do that
I'll do that.
I'm
too.
not afraid of any spiders
No, I could
I'll do
definitely that.
I'll do with bugs and insects I'll do with one
I know y'all been through the war.
I've been-
yeah I've been
yeah.
through the war we've been through the Khmer Rouge and we stayed in the jungle for many months I'll do that
Fucking eat it.
yeah I'll capture the spider and the whatever Bump
Is it raining hard or is the sewer system just not good?
it's raining
The sewer system is terrible.
The sewer system.
and
does not
also
help.
it's yeah and it's also
Like, it's,
no in
it was
in
far
in
away.
the state too remember Lee, that
depends on
place
where it
But it's not
is.
terrible like this.
Yeah, it's not terrible like this.
no it's terrible certain area baby but សិនឲ្យបងប្អូនឥឡូវបងប្អូននេះទៀតហើយមើលទឹកនៅក្នុងទីក្រុងភ្នំពេញយើងហ្នឹងបងប្អូនពេលភ្លៀងខ្លាំងណាចឹងលូវាហូរអត់ទាន់បងប្អូន the sewage system the drainage system it doesn't drain fast enough so បងប្អូនឃើញទេណែភ្លៀងអានេះយើងលឺឃើញច្រើនដងដោយសារលូវាហូរអត់ទាន់អានៅស្រុកអាមេរិកជួនណាភ្លៀងខ្លាំងអញ្ចឹងពេកបងប្អូនក៏លូហូរអត់ទាន់ដែរឆ្នាំណានោះក៏ផ្ទះខ្ញុំលិចម្ដងដែរអូហ្នឹងហ្នឹងលិចច្រើនគ្នាកាលហ្នឹងតែ15ឆ្នាំមុនឥឡូវអត់អីវិញទេបងប្អូននៅកន្លែងនេះស្ងួតវិញហ៎គេធ្វើលូល្អដល់កន្លែងមិញលូវាហូរអត់ទាន់
Or maybe
Yeah.
it's got all the trash.
yeah
all
clogging
clogged up.
clogging the drainage system
That's why the other day they had to pull it out.
yeah អានេះដល់ណែអត់អីវិញទេវាមានកន្លែងខ្លះហូរអត់ទាន់កន្លែងខ្លះហូរទាន់មើលកន្លែងនេះអត់អី so when it rains we just be very careful you know when you are riding your bike or your car driving your car just be very careful okay I know it's hard for people to see មើលអត់ឃើញ
No lights.
វាពិបាក
It's not up because it's abandoned.
As long as some houses is around me, I'll be okay. I could get light off of them. Oh, this water.
ហ្នឹងហើយចឹងមិនថាឡានខ្ពស់អត់សូវភ័យទេបងប្អូនបើសិនណាយើងពេលមានទឹកលិចបន្តិចតួចចឹងទៅយើងឡានខ្ពស់វាស្រួលយើងអត់ខ្លាចឆ្លក់ម៉ាស៊ីនណាឡានទូចចឹងនៅឯណាក៏ដូចនៅណាខ្លាចមិនចង់ចឹងវាងាប់ទេណាបងឡានហ្នឹងងាប់ឡានខ្ញុំហ្នឹងឡានខ្ញុំជួយHonda Accord ក៏ខ្ញុំទិញយូរហើយ Honda Accord នៅវាឆ្លក់ទឹកសូវាងាប់តែមានវាខូចកដាល and then ដល់ពេលវាឈប់ឆ្លក់ទឹកបើឆ្លក់នេះបានវាឆេះវិញដល់យើងទៅពិបាកយើង yeah it went into my engine and it was flooded yeah a long time ago like when
That's why it's
Lily
gotta have a high
yeah
power,
that's why
even for the rain or the snow.
yeah that's why now ឥឡូវចឹង my mommy think that SUV
I remember when that happened to you, Mom.
you don't remember
I wasn't born.
You don't remember because no, you already born gone. Lily, but Jasmine not done. Jasmine not done. God, they got the line at home side. Like this.
He's a 10, but he makes thirst traps on TikTok.
Drift shop?
Thirst traps.
Then he's a 5.
What?
Thirst trap?
What's that?
Thirst
What's that?
traps.
What's that?
Like where they're feeling themselves so much and it's so cute and they go.
What?
I don't like that. I don't like guys like that.
Thirst
Like
shop?
it's okay if girls do it, but if guys
Yeah,
do
guys
it,
is more like